Hello traders and welcome to the VantagePoint Trading Journal for today, Tuesday, November 27th, 2018. How are you doing? We're going to show you how VantagePoint has been predicting market movements and what you need to pay attention to today. Specifically, I'm looking at eBay. And this is a little bit different than a lot of the setups that we look at, but you do notice that what we have here is the software has done a very, very good job of predicting not necessarily upward movement, but the lack of downward movement, which we can play with options. So much like we did here, we're going to see this same sort of setup. We see the medium-term bullish crossover. We see that the predictive difference is higher than yesterday's actual high and low, and we see the neural index showing strength by being in the green position. So those three things are telling me, at the very least, I don't believe that we are going to go down. So how can we play that? I'm not going to play it with an active sort of move. Unless you're a stock trader, then really the only thing you can do is buy or sell the stock. So you would buy the stock, somewhere in the neighborhood 28.5. Instead, what I'm going to do with the options is I'm going to sell a put spread. So I'm going to sell the regular December 27.28 put spread, collecting 30 cents or more, but let's just say 30 cents. 30 cents, most I can make is that 30 cents that I collect. The most that I can lose is the width of the spread, which is $1, less the premium that I take in, which is 30 cents. So net between the two, 70 cents. So my risk, 70, my reward is 30. That gives me a reward to risk ratio of 2.33 to 1. I'm laying those odds. So all we have to do, if we go up, great. If we stay here, great. If we stay above 28, great. The only way that we lose is if we go down below 28.70. That is our break even, and then the max we can lose is 70 cents. All right, I'll be checking in with you later on in the week. Best of luck, and we'll talk to you then.